Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to get the link of a file or folder. So the link, it is the specific address of a particular file or folder that is stored in the Google Drive. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So over here I am inside my Google Drive. So let's say I want to get the link of this slide document. So I will have to right click on it, then left click on get link. Then all I have to do is click on copy link and the link is copied. To verify, we can open a notepad document and let's paste it. So this is the link of the document. Let's copy this and open a new tab and paste the link over here and hit enter. So as you can see, we just entered the link that we copied. So this is how you can get the link of a file. So you can do the same thing for the folder. Just click on the folder, right click on it, then click on get link. It's loading. So you can just simply copy link for this folder. So this is how you can copy the link in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to get the link of a file or folder in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.